Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, you can tell something missing because we're going to go pick up something else. Let's go get it. Alright guys, let's detail it. Just gonna scrub this a bit. Alright guys, I've done a pretty thorough wash on it. Did door jambs, boot, under the bonnet, and it's still wet. I'm going to go straight to a clay bar because it is rough. Alright, so instead of using a clay bar, I'm using a clay cloth. Pretty much the same thing, it's just into a microfiber cloth, a bit easy to use. And we're just using some water as lubricant. Already got water on there from the wash. So let's do half of this first. I'm guessing the missus is going to yell out soon that it's dinner time. Oh, it's pretty bad. I was looking a little bit too hard when I was washing, and I'm finding more and more damage that I didn't know that was on this car. And just now I've noticed a decent amount of chips. It is a 9-year-old car now. It's a 2014. Let's try to bring it back to life. Alright, so I've clay barred the whole car. Nice and smooth now, but she needs a good buff. I'm just going to do one half of the bonnet, see how it comes up with the cutters. Quite a few chips. Bird poo stains, itching. Not sure what these are from. But, let's see if the cutters will get it out. Alright guys, I'm using a Apex Custom DA with a 5-inch backing plate with a Maguire's microfiber pad. So get that on there. Let's get the heavy cut. I'm using the Mazerna heavy cut compound. I'll link it down below. If you go and purchase anything like that, I will get a little kickback from the affiliate link, so that would be awesome. Check it out guys, I don't mind it. Let's see how it cuts on the Clio. Alright, let's see how we go. So I'm just going to chuck some music on and go for it. Get it into the pad. Let's go. Alright, it does look better, but it's not great. It's a lot better than that side. You can tell. But I'm not happy with that. Lots of scratches in it. Not really chasing scratches because how bad the paintwork is. Just want a good clean up. So hopefully that bird poo there looks a lot better. So yeah, we'll do the other half. And I'll go down to the final polish as well on the bonnet. And we'll see how the outcome will be. And then I'll do the whole thing. Alright guys, I'm using Super Finish by Mizuno now. So let's see how that comes up. I've done both sides. Couldn't exactly wipe it off properly, the heavy cut, but it should be alright. Alright, so there's the second stage. It's looking pretty good. There are still quite a few scratches in it. So we're going to go ahead and lock that in with the ultimate protection. So let's get that on there. Alright guys, done the whole car pretty much. Done the windows, done the inside. I'm about to vacuum now and done some tyre shine, but it is muddy out here, so it's not going to be good. So yeah, just finishing up with a vacuum, and then I'll take it back to my parents' place where they're going to go tomorrow from to the Renault Car Club meet down Mornington way. So yeah, it's come up alright. Good from far, far from good. It's 300% better than it was, but I'm actually not happy with it. I can see that it's had quite a bit of repairs done. Alright guys, stay tuned for next episode. We are going to take this Clio out for a little drive. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll catch you next episode. Bye.